Hi, if you're a fan of Huckberry, this video might be for you. If you don't know who they are, they're a really cool company that focuses on gear. So if you're an outdoorsy person, you probably have what you're looking for or what you need. And they also have lots of really cool apparel, and they also have furniture. So if you're in the market for furniture, Huckberry. So our friends at Huckberry were really nice enough to send over a few cool things. So let's unbox it. I'm not too much of an outdoors person, but they did have a lot of cool apparel. So that's what we got. So it's a really cool postcard, return policy, all that stuff. All right. So the first thing we got is from Filson, the Mesh Harvester hat. It's a trucker hat. And if you're a fan of Filson, this is the Bruce hat, if you're interested. Links in the description below. Alright. What do you guys think? I used to have a trucker hat just like this. Wow, this probably the padding's really thick. It's a nice lining on the inside. Honestly, this is probably the highest quality trucker hat I've ever had. It's really nice. Next up, this is the Peregrine Hudson Aaron Jumper sweater, khaki green. So this was the last one they had. The last one they had was a size small. So picked it up. There's no returns. That's okay. Wow, this is really nice material. It's really well knit. It's a beautiful tag. Alright, well, 100% British wool. Guys, let's try it on. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly. Alright, I'm gonna get down again. It's really well made. I feel so cozy and warm, and it's perfect. And guess what? It just hit 85 today. So I probably won't be wearing this till the fall. Or I'll just wear it like super early in the morning. Coffee stroll, just wear this. So the last thing we have is the Flint & Tinder 10-year pullover hoodie. So their 10-year pullover hoodies are really popular, and just looking at it and feeling it, really well made. So I got a extra small in black. Feels pretty sturdy. So most of my sweaters lately have been oversized, but I wanted to get one more form-fitting, I guess. So I got an extra small. And let's see how it fits. So my waist, my hip bone is right here, and it comes down right here, an extra small. The sleeves are perfect. Good size hood, fits really well. It's like the perfect size to my body. I'm 145, 5'9", slim build, good fit. Although I wish it was a little bit longer. But, I mean, still fits really well. Can't complain. I like the way it fits. Alright, Huckberry, you don't disappoint. Good stuff. Thank you, Huckberry. If you're looking for outdoor gear, apparel, furniture, check them out. Lots of cool stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.